So whenever you're ready.
For us?
For all of us.
We're gonna go to Disneyland?
When?
We're leaving tonight!
We're going tonight?
Oh!
We're leaving tonight and we're staying in a hotel and then we're going to Disneyland tomorrow.
All three?
Uh-huh.
What did you say?
Thanks, Mike.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Hey, that's my hand now.
So we're all gonna go to Disneyland tomorrow?
Mhm.
Right now?
We're leaving, gonna go home and you're gonna pack your bag and then we're gonna go to the hotel.
And you going with us too, Papa? You told Maribel?
Yeah, she already knows. That's why she
Oh.
dropped him off so early.
Oh.